Welcome back to a Deka Cloud. Today, we're diving into the crazy world of kitchen stuff. If you've ever walked into your kitchen and thought, what is this thing for? This video is for you. Let's start with the basics, the tools that make you look like a pro, even if you burn toast. First up, the spatula. It's for flipping pancakes or your mistakes. Next, the whisk, the magic wand for your eggs. And these are tongs, the kitchen's very own crab hands. Don't forget the ladle, because soup deserves love too. The peeler, it turns potatoes into naked potatoes. And the can opener, the true test of anyone's patience. A quick tip, never underestimate a wooden spoon. It's powerful, especially in a mom's hands. Time to slice, chop, and pretend you're on MasterChef. The chef's knife is your best friend and worst enemy. The cutting board? That's the battlefield. The bread knife cuts bread, not your dreams. And kitchen shears are basically scissors that think they're ninjas. Oh, and if you see someone crying while chopping an onion, those are the tears of a true chef. Cooking without measuring is like dating without texting, absolutely chaotic. That's why we have measuring cups and spoons, because a pinch is not a real unit of measurement. And mixing bowls? This is where all the magic begins. When you combine a whisk and a spatula, you get the dynamic duo of deliciousness. Always measure before you pour. Trust me, your cake will thank you. Now, for the big boys, the pots and pans that rule your stove. The frying pan is the undisputed superhero of breakfast. The saucepan is for everything that ends in sauce. The wok? That's the dance floor your stir-fry deserves. And the pressure cooker? It cooks things fast and scares everyone. If you hear a loud psh, maybe just run. Bakers, rise and shine. Literally. First, the baking tray, which is every cookie's favorite place to hang out. Then you have the muffin tin, offering 12 little holes of happiness. The rolling pin is perfect for flattening dough or your bad moods. And finally, the cooling rack, because even hot cookies need a moment to chill. Let's talk machines, the robots of your kitchen. The blender turns your fruits into fancy drinks. The toaster is the elevator for your bread. The microwave is for people who just can't wait. The air fryer? That's the healthy liar we all love. And of course, the coffee maker, because let's be honest, mornings are evil without it. Now for the pretty stuff that makes the meal complete. We've got the dinner squad. Plates, bowls, spoons, and forks. Glass jars and containers are where leftovers go to retire peacefully. And the spice rack is your shelf of flavor power. It's what separates a good meal from a great one. After all the fun comes the pain. Cleaning. Yes, we have to talk about the sponge, dish soap, towel, and the good old trash can. Just remember, a clean kitchen equals a happy stomach. It's worth the effort in the end. So, now you know every tool in the kitchen, from the mighty knife to the humble sponge. If you learned something new, hit that like button. Comment your favorite kitchen tool below. And don't forget to subscribe to a Deka Cloud for more fun English and cooking videos. Thanks for watching.